This is another unboxing video. I just got a package from Camara knives. I did rip it open overzealously and pulled it out now. What is this? Let's find out. I'm gonna shut the camera off while I dig through all this plastic. Actually, you guys may as well enjoy my efforts. So, Ruben Camara of Camara Knives is a knife maker out of Ontario. He makes absolutely beautiful Kydex sheaths as well. So, if you want a custom-made sheath made, he's your man. If you want a custom knife, he's your man. He has some really nice designs, and it really fits in with the tactical world. He's not yet a full-time knife maker, but he should be. He should be. If you collect knives, he should be on your radar. All right, so. Wow. Okay. This beauty right here is the Camara Viper. It fits just beautifully in my hand. The grips are nice and textured. I love this green because if you drop this, it's easy to find. Okay. Fits snug. Okay, beautiful fit in this sheath. No rattle. I had to delete the next part in this unboxing video because I kept calling this knife the companion. This is the Sidekick, and it has this beautiful clip here and this pocket catcher on the sheath that comes out just beautifully. I will do a full review on this knife, but man, it is sharp and it's a beautiful little blade. Very handy cutting tool that you can keep with you all the time. Absolutely love this design, and I will let you know how it performs in my lifestyle, which basically in my life is, cutting cheese and other material. But yeah, this is a handy little tool, and I will get Ruben Camara to tell me more about the scales, the steel that he uses, and that kind of technical stuff. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.